Hi guys, you're watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna show you how to make the honey mustard mayo. Honey mustard mayonnaise sauce. So let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. We got some salt and pepper and got 150 gram of mayonnaise. If you follow my channel how to make the mayonnaise sauce, you can find it out how to make the mayonnaise sauce. I got 3 teaspoons of honey and 2 teaspoons of mustard seed. This is the seeded mustard, so you make sure you get the seeded mustard. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper for seasoning, and then I'm gonna add the honey into the mayonnaise sauce. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of seeded mustard. So now I'm gonna mix this one properly. And look at that guys, you can see the seeded mustard through it and the honey there, color change is good, the perfect. So I hope this one gonna taste nice. Let's see how it's the taste like. It's nice guys. The honey flavor and the mustard flavor, there's a hint of spice there, and it's really nice. You can use these sauces to make some kind of salad dressing as a salad dressing. You can dip some chips or whatever you want. So that's how we make the honey mustard mayonnaise. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. So please don't forget to follow me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye, thanks.